experiencing a black screen or no sound on your Tata Tiago's infotainment system? These problems often stem from software glitches or electrical issues. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, a hard reset disconnecting the battery for 5 to 10 minutes might clear the system's cache. But be cautious, as it could erase your settings. Software updates are crucial. Ensure your system is running the latest version, obtainable via OTA updates or through a Tata service center. Check for loose electrical connections, especially if resets occur frequently. Remember, most problems are software related, but hardware faults sometimes require professional diagnosis. Don't use DIY hacks that might void your warranty. Prioritize the software updates offered by the company. If issues persist, visiting an authorized dealer is recommended, particularly for addressing potential electrical grounding issues. When basic resets fail to resolve Tiago Infotainment issues, advanced diagnostics are needed to identify underlying problems. Intermittent resets often indicate deeper issues requiring systematic troubleshooting. Tata data shows 30% of infotainment failures stem from reset malfunctions, often needing professional calibration. For sound issues, clean audio jack contacts, particularly after exposure to environmental factors like moisture. Black screens potentially caused by corrupted updates, as seen in the 2023 epidemic, may require Tata's USB patch. Some users have used ADB tools to restore functionality, though this requires technical expertise. Future-proofing involves keeping software updated, as regular updates prevent about 70% of issues. As hybrid infotainment systems become standard, prioritize software solutions over DIY fixes and consider longer warranties with expert calibrations.